Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can display timestamps in 24-hour format. So guys, if you want a 24-hour format timestamp but you don't know how to get it, then this video is for you. So guys, all you need to do is just open your Steam app and log in. And after you've logged in, all you need to do is just open your settings. Just go ahead and look at the top where you can find Steam. Just go ahead and tap there and now look at the preference. So once you tap on preferences, you will successfully be able to open Steam settings. And after that, you can find multiple options over here, but all we need is interface. So just find interface, which should be right between notification and library. It shouldn't be that hard to find. And after that, you can find many options regarding interface, and 24-hour clock should be right under Steam client language. Then guys, in order to activate this, just go ahead and turn this button on by tapping on it, and you have successfully enabled 24-hour clock timestamp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.